Hello and welcome my students. This is Sharif Ramadan from Barkia Secondary School. In today's lesson I am talking about conditionals, also called if sentences. When I say conditionals, I am referring to two-part sentences where one part begins with F. Actually there are four main types. They are conditional 0, 1, 2 and 3. In this video I am going to focus on the formulation and the usage of each type. Let's go over some examples to make it clear.
Conditionals or if sentences. As I mentioned in the introduction, there are four main types of conditionals. Let's look at their formulation. Starting with conditional 0. In conditional 0, we use present simple in the if clause and present simple again in the consequence clause. Then there is conditional 1 or first conditional. We use present simple in the if clause and the future simple in the consequence clause. Moving on to conditional 2, we use the past simple in the if clause and would plus infinitive in the consequence clause. And finally, we have conditional 3 or the third conditional. We use past perfect in the if clause and the consequence clause is formulated with would have plus past participle. Note: the if clause can be either the first or the second part of the sentence. You can switch the two clauses round. Okay, let's start with 0 conditional. To remind you of the formulation, if plus present simple in the if clause and present simple again in the consequence clause. The concept: a fact, something that is always true, or to talk about things which regularly happen. Let's see more examples. If you heat ice, it melts. If you feel sickly, you need to see a doctor. It is easier to relax if you close your eyes. Now, let's look at the first conditional, the formulation. If plus present simple, and the consequence clause will be will, can, may, plus infinitive. The concept: it refers to a present, future situation of high probability, or to talk about things which are possible and likely to happen in the future. Examples: I see her quite often. If I see her tomorrow, I will speak to her. They are always late. I will not let them in if they are late again. If we meet on Tuesday, we can go and see the new action film. So, we can use will, can, may in the consequence clause.